In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an iCal link to Apple Calendar. This process allows you to easily subscribe to calendars that automatically update. It's quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's dive in. First, you will need to open the Calendar app on your iPhone or iPad. Look for the app icon that resembles a calendar page. Once you tap on it, you will see your existing calendars and events. This is your main hub for all calendar-related activities. Opening the app sets the stage for the next steps, allowing you to manage your schedules efficiently. Next, tap on Calendars at the bottom of the screen. This option brings up all the calendars you currently have. It allows you to see what is available and where you can add new subscriptions. By tapping this, you will also access the options required to add a new calendar. This is important because it organizes your events effectively. Now tap on Add Calendar. This action opens up a menu where you can choose different calendar options. It's crucial to know that this is where you can create new calendars or add subscriptions. By doing this, you are preparing to add the email link to your Apple Calendar, which will keep your calendar updated automatically. From there, tap on Add Subscription Calendar. This is specifically for adding links that will synchronize with your calendar. It is important because it enables you to subscribe to calendars that are hosted online. This means that any changes made to those calendars will reflect immediately on your device. Next, paste the emo, TUM, ECS, or webcal/link that you have. This link is essential as it connects your Apple Calendar to the external calendar source. Take a moment to ensure the link is correct to avoid any issues later. By pasting the link here, you are setting up the subscription that will keep you updated. After that, tap Find or Subscribe on older iOS versions. This step is crucial as it verifies the link and connects it to your Apple Calendar. You'll usually see a confirmation message or loading screen indicating that the process is underway. This adds an extra layer of reassurance that your subscription is being set up correctly. Now give the calendar a name and choose a color if you'd like. This personalization makes it easier to identify the calendar at a glance. A distinct name and color ensure that you can quickly locate this subscription among your other calendars. This little step enhances your organization and usability, making your calendar experience smoother. At this point, make sure the account is set to iCloud. This step is optional but highly recommended if you want to sync the calendar across all your Apple devices. By setting it to iCloud, you ensure that the calendar is accessible on your iPhone, iPad, and even your Mac. This consistency is key for staying organized no matter what device you use. Finally, tap Done to finish the process. This confirms your subscription and adds the new calendar to your Apple Calendar. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that everything was successful. With this, you have successfully added an emo link to your Apple Calendar. You can now enjoy the benefits of automatic updates for your subscribed events. Tip: if someone sends you a webcal/OC or ICS link in Mail, Messages, or Safari, you can often just tap the link and choose Subscribe. This simplifies the process even further, allowing you to add calendars quickly without navigating through the app. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!